Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're diving into the world of password management and exploring a robust solution, Passwork. Located at passwork.me, this platform offers a comprehensive approach to securing your digital life. In an age where data breaches are increasingly common, safeguarding your passwords is more critical than ever. Passwork provides a secure vault for all your login credentials, ensuring they're protected from prying eyes. Think about it, how many online accounts do you have? From social media to online banking, shopping portals to streaming services, the number can be staggering. Remembering complex and unique passwords for each account is a near impossible task. That's where Passwork comes in. It allows you to generate and store strong, unique passwords, eliminating the need to remember them all. Simply log into Passwork, and you have access to your entire password library. Beyond individual use, Passwork shines in team environments. Sharing passwords securely within a team can be a challenge. Passwork facilitates this with robust sharing features, allowing controlled access to specific passwords or groups of passwords. This streamlines collaboration while maintaining tight security protocols. Imagine the efficiency gains when your team can easily access the necessary credentials without compromising security. Furthermore, Passwork offers advanced features like two-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. This ensures that even if your master password is compromised, your vault remains secure. The platform is designed with user-friendliness in mind, offering an intuitive interface that's easy to navigate, even for those less tech-savvy. Visiting passwork.me opens a door to enhanced digital security. It's an investment in peace of mind, knowing your sensitive information is protected. With its comprehensive features and focus on user experience, Passwork is a valuable tool for individuals and teams alike. So, take control of your password security and explore the benefits of Passwork today. Check them out at passwork.me. Remember to subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech tips and reviews. Thanks for watching.